This is a 2005 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.